International Women's Day, and this is something exclusively set up for women, the vaccination booths. But I want to understand how helpful this has been for you. Has it been any quicker?
See, I didn't, honestly, I had expected that because it was a special occasion, that it would move much faster. There would first of all be a smaller number of people. We were told that there was a minister who was going to be gracing the occasion, and so they had invited a small number of people to be present. That hasn't worked out the way we had the way we had sort of expected it to work. So we came at the correct time. I must say the minister also was very punctual. He came at the correct time, which we didn't expect. But that was a good thing. But 2-3 hours, almost 3 hours later, we are still waiting.
Any reason, ma'am? Have you been briefed why the delay?
I think every now and then they are coming and telling us. Right now it seems to be that there is a problem with their server. You know, for some time they had to be, the documents have to be verified to make sure you're not under 40, under 60 or whatever the age is. So that takes a little bit of time, and then the server causes another delay. Yeah. So when you come, you expect that it's not going to be exactly the way you think it is going to be.
Ma'am, this kind of an exclusive booth has been set up just to mark the International Women's Day. But can you tell us how long have you been waiting? What time did you come in? And have you still been able to get vaccinated? Yes.
Not yet. Any minute I'll be called now, because they have called 55 and I'm 56. But we were told at the most we are going to stay here for half an hour. We didn't expect this long a delay.
Okay.
So we're just putting up, because actually we wanted to come next week, me and my husband, not her. Then what happened, we were told that we'll be taken in with Dr. Sudhakar and Mr. Raghu and all that inside. Not happening, so we're just waiting here.
For your turn, yes.
Yes.
Also, one important question I would like to ask you is, there were a lot of discussions and talks about the efficacy and all of that. And you as a senior citizen, how did you really make up that mind to, okay, let me get vaccinated? What did, it went through your mind?
No, initially I'm still not, too much for it, because I do not know how much to trust the vaccine. But since we were called specially, invited rather, so we thought we'll come for that, on that purpose. Let's see.
Ma'am, we are looking at more and more senior citizens now coming forward to take the shot. Now, what really went through your mind? And today being a very special day, they have exclusively dedicated pink booths for you.
I just feel that it's just common sense to take it, because if you see with any disease, the more people that get vaccinated against the disease, the more chance of the disease to go away. I mean, it's happened before in our lives, and before we didn't have that much information on the efficacy of a vaccine, etc. Now, there's sort of information overload, and that's why people are reticent. But I think people should just absolutely come forward and take the vaccine. And that's the only way we can try and defeat COVID. I don't see any other way of doing it.
Okay. Is there any special reason that you've taken this day, chosen this day?
Actually, not really. I just got a call saying that, maybe I could, if I would be agreeable to come in here, because the minister was coming, and I was like, sure. I'd anyway registered online, and my appointment was much later in the month. But
How was your experience through the CoWIN portal, because you had registered?
Actually it was not bad. It took me a day and a half to register, because it kept hanging and it was difficult. But once I managed to get on, I kept checking. I was able to schedule an appointment. So actually it was quite easy at the end of the day, yeah.
To mark International Women's Day, the Health Department of Karnataka, they have dedicated one particular booth, pink booth here in Bengaluru at C.V. Raman Hospital. Apart from that, there are several other districts who have also in fact dedicated pink booths, especially to women, exclusively for women between the age bracket of 45 and 59, those with comorbidities, and also those above 60 years for the vaccination. Now, this is the pink booth that we are looking looking at, it's exclusively set up only for women. And of course, you're looking at great turnout as far as C.V. Raman Hospital is concerned. And also the most important thing to be understood right here is that unlike over the last 3 to 4 days where we witnessed the government had set aside just 270 centers across the state of Karnataka, today we are looking at the numbers that have touched nearly 3,000. In fact, senior citizens can also reach out to the nearest primary health center or community health center for that matter. This is only to be done so that it's an easy access for the senior citizens. What you see on to my right side are the senior citizens who are seated here. Now, this is the kind of number that we are looking at. And of course, this has just been done exclusively here in this one hospital in Bengaluru and several other hospitals across the districts in the state of Karnataka. Now, what's more important to note that it's been clearly a week since the entire vaccination drive that has started, the second phase, especially for the senior citizens. But speaking to some of the senior citizens, what we understand, yes, they continue to witness especially glitches on the CoWIN portal as and when they try to register. Some of them were lucky enough to register immediately and just come right here to this pink booth, while some others had to wait for at least about 2 days. With video journalist Santosh, this is Shrija reporting for Mirror Now in Bengaluru.